What is good, my people? We are back again with another gem. Listen, today I have some absolutely ridiculous news. So if you guys did not watch a video I put out 2 days ago, this is actually, for me, it's 1 day ago, but for you guys it's 2 days ago, so I have to upload this the day after because I already uploaded a video today. Man, I'm uploading consistently, so y'all gotta hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications because when I'm dropping these gems, y'all gonna wanna be notified. You know what I'm saying? But I made a video a couple days ago talking about the unlimited money glitch on on Spartacus.finance, on that DAO. You know what I'm saying? I explained to you guys exactly their new strategy that was coming out where you'd be able to borrow money again using your staked Spartacus coin as collateral, therefore making you able to stake even more money. I'm not gonna go through the whole definition here because it is kind of confusing, but I made it pretty simple in my video, so if you have not watched that video, watch it and then come back here. But basically, I decided to check my profits that I've made and literally just staking it for 1 day. If you guys did not know, I showed you guys they were offering some crazy high APYs, which is over 500,000% at that time. I think it was 500. It was either 500 or 300,000 or 400,000. It was a lot of thousands of percents of APYs. And I checked it today and I was absolutely blown away. So today we're gonna dive into exactly how much I've made in literally like it's not 24 hours, it's probably been like 25 hours, but I'm gonna dive in and show you guys exactly how much I've made off of a $1,000 deposit of staking SPA token in literally like 25 hours. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how it worked, how I made this much, how you guys can do it too, and yeah, it's gonna be a good time, so make sure you hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and ring the bell, and let's hop right into this video. Before we hop in, if you guys want to be notified whenever I buy any coin, whenever I'm taking profit on any coin, whatever coin is on my watch list, you want to be in my business and know every single coin I'm holding, sign up for my Patreon. You know what I'm saying? I'm dropping some insider gems inside there. I can't post every single trade I take on YouTube. I still do post free content on YouTube. Obviously, I post as much as I can on YouTube, but I can't post 5 times a day on YouTube about everything that's going on in the crypto world. So if you want to be there in all of my trades and want to be notified whenever I'm taking a trade or whenever I'm selling and taking profit, sign up for my Patreon. But like I said, I'm still dropping gems on here, so even if you don't have the money to sign up for it, or if you don't feel like signing it, or you don't trust me yet, which you should because I'm a very trustworthy guy, look at me, you know what I'm saying? But if you don't want to yet, you don't have to. You still get the free content and the free gems on my YouTube. But now, for real, let's hop into the video. So boom, Spartacus.finance. So literally I put in $1,000 25 hours ago, and as of right now, the amount that I've made has just, I looked at it, I was like, there's no way this is real. There's no way this is correct, you know what I'm saying? Let's just hop right into this. I'm gonna show you guys exactly. So this is on the Phantom blockchain. Just make sure I'm on there. I'm on Phantom blockchain. As you guys see, my stake balance right here is 6.3228 SPA tokens. Well, SSPA. The S in front of it just stands for staked, but it's really just SPA tokens. As of right now, I guess it was 300,000% that they were offering before. But as of right now, it is 299,000%. And I want you guys to know something. A lot of people end up messaging me. A lot of people in my Patreon mentioned me this as well. They're like, how are these percentages staying so high? How are they so high? There's no way it's maintainable at this time. And they're absolutely correct. There's no possible way that they will, if a coin comes out and they're offering 1,000,000% APY for the first day or two, it's gradually going to go down the more people get into it. They can't, programs and protocols cannot afford to pay out that big of APYs whenever more people start flooding in. So the less people that's in the project, the higher APY it is going to be with these DAO programs or DAO protocols. But the more people that get in, the APY kind of just like tanks down really fast, like depending how fast or depending how much more money gets put into their DAOs. As you see right here, the total value deposited is $124 million as of right now. So there is a lot of money in there, but it still does have a lot of room to grow. Because if we go to app.wonderland.money, we can see that they have 2 billion locked in there versus Spartacus's 124 million. But that really doesn't matter. I was really just saying that just so you guys understand that the APY is going to fluctuate a lot. But one of the things that people don't understand is that this ROI number down here, the 11%, 11.5%, it's not going to fluctuate as much as the APY. The APY can jump down 50,000%, and the ROI would only jump down 0.2 0.3%. The 5-day ROI would jump down 0.3%. So it's still great investments, especially if you're able to get in early on projects that you actually trust. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to do any of this. Just because I made this much money in 25 hours does not mean you will do it. It doesn't mean that I'll even keep that money. It might drop all the way down. You know what I'm saying? I just wanted to put this video out here and show you guys the possibilities when it comes to these new protocols in the DeFi space as a whole. So, like I was saying, the APY is around 300,000%. They're offering 11% annual return, or sorry, 5-day return on your investment. They pay out rebases every single 8 hours. So, yeah, actually, let's just go to coinmarketcap.com. Let's just go to SPA, because their coin, this is one of the reasons why the amount that I have right now is so much higher than it was when I first put it in, because I got in low-key at kind of a perfect time, and the price absolutely shot up around 18-19%. So as you see right now, we got in at around, if you go back on my video, I literally pointed out, I got in around $163, somewhere around that area. And as you see right now, it's trading at $206 each. So that is a $40 gain on each token that I'm holding, and you see I am holding 6 tokens. So if we copy this amount right here, it'll show me exactly how much my Spartacus is worth as of right now. This is including all the rebase rewards I've gotten in the past 25 hours, and also the price difference of each token. So like I said in my video, or as you guys saw in my video, if you did watch the video, I put exactly $1,000 into it. So now let's see what it is worth. $1,303.29. I made $300 on a $1,000 investment in 25 hours. 30% on an investment in 25 hours is absolutely ridiculous. To put that into bigger terms, because I know a lot of people's like, oh, you only made $300. What the heck does that mean? Listen, if you had put $100,000 into it and you made 30% on your investment in 25 hours, that means you made $30,000 in 25 hours. I don't know about you, but that is absolutely amazing to me. A lot of people have to understand this. We, especially in the trading world, the crypto world, stocks world, any really type of trading world, it's always off percentages. You can't look at somebody and be like, oh, they made $1 million off of one trade, but their trade only went up like 10%. You know what I'm saying? Because it's because they're trading way more money. Their account is way bigger. So they had a $10 million account, and because they made 10% on their $10 million account, they made $1 million. But it's the same for if you put $100 into an account and made $10 off of it. That's the same as making the 10%. It's the same amount of percentage, the same amount of move as you with $100 versus the dude with $1 million that made, or $10 million that made $1 million off of that same 10% move. So I was saying all that to say 30% in 24 hours is absolutely freaking ridiculous. Like, fast forward or rewind like 20 years ago, ask any stockbroker, they would be happy with 10% in a year. In a year, you know what I'm saying? But gaining, and it's still going up. Being able to gain 30% in 25 hours is absolutely ridiculous. And like I said, it is sort of kind of up to, well, not sort of kind of, it was dependent on the coin actually going up and me getting in at a good time. We can look right here to see when I actually got in. I literally got in at almost the perfect time. Let's go to a 7-day time frame. I got in around 160, yeah, 166, 163 air. So around here on this dip right here, and as we see, it went all the way up here, dropped back down, and came all the way back up. So I kind of get in at a good time. Plus the crazy high APY percentages that they're offering also push this up further. But I told you guys in the first video that I was gonna keep you guys updated on how the investment is going. I keep you guys updated on most of my investments. I keep you updated on my Time Wonderland, my Spartacus, my Hector, which I gotta make a video about too, because that one is doing absolutely great as well. Honestly, like I said, it's really hard for me to make a video for every single thing that I'm doing in the crypto space, because there's only so many videos I can put out in one single day. So honestly, if you want to stay updated, it sounds like a plug, but I'm being so serious. If you want to stay updated, I post some of the stuff on my Instagram at Joovier_, or sign up for my Patreon, where I literally post every single thing that goes on in my head during the day about crypto, or all the moves I'm making, I should say. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope I was able to kind of enlighten you guys to see the possibilities of what could happen with these crazy high APYs, especially if you're investing in the right project, the right token that's going to not just pay out crazy high APYs, but they're also going to increase in value of their coins, because that can insanely boost the amount of money that you've made in your investment, even if you're just staking it. So like I said, this is not financial advice. I'm not saying this will stay. I'm not saying tomorrow I'll wake up and I'll be up another 30%. I could be down 10%, 20%, or I could be up 50%. Honestly, it's all up to the market. I just want to keep you guys updated. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below, what's your favorite DAO? Because I went over a couple of them now. Let me know if there's any other ones I should check out. Let me know if there's any other coins I could check out. Feel free to DM me any questions you have on Instagram at Joovier_. And that's really about it, man. Enjoy your day. Good luck in all your trades. Good luck in all your crypto, your stocks, your real estate, your life as a whole. And I'm gonna see you on the next video.